Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today you have tuned into Mary Kay Thursdays. Basically, Thursdays I have devoted towards Mary Kay items or looks or thoughts or whatever need be. And today I have brought you some Mary Kay lipsticks. So we're going to start out with swatches, and then after the swatches I'll give you my thoughts, analysis, opinions, all of the above. So stay tuned. the swatches, let me just give some information. Mary Kay has come out with 12 brand new lipsticks, brand new packaging, formulas brand new, shades are brand new. 2016 is when they came out with 8 new shades in their matte line. So a semi-gel matte or semi-matte gel in one of those orders. So this is in addition to that, except for these are called the semi-shine gel lipsticks. So we have our mattes, now we have our shine line. It is 12 new lipsticks. They have discontinued all the rest of their cream lipsticks. So if you're interested in those lipsticks, you can see if your independent consultant has any left, or if they're willing to purchase whatever is left available for us to purchase. But those have been discontinued. This new line has come through. It is very pretty. Like I am loving the shades that come in this line. Like most of them, like 90% of them, I like color wise. So just to go into a little bit of the logistics of these lipsticks without going into full detail. Okay, so these lipsticks are made in the USA. They're 0.13 ounces. They come in these pretty lustrous looking tubes with the little emblem in the front of it. They snap when you close. It has a clear top so that you can see the color, but really you can't see the color, but it does have a clear top. So, you know, some colors you can just, you know, make a distinction between the very dark shade and a very light shade for the most part, but you know, they're not very clear in regards to seeing exactly what color you want it. This is what it looks like when you buy it. And it has Mary Kay on the packaging. Super pretty. So these will provide you with a smooth application, which I can contest to that. All of them went on very smoothly, like butter. It feels so good on your lips, especially at this time where it's cooler outside and your lips are chapped. These are buttery lipsticks. They're lightweight. They have a clean citrus smell or scent. It kind of lingers. So if you're sensitive to scents, it lingers a little bit. It's not super strong. It's kind of like a, you know, it's there, but it's not there. The lipstick does last a very long time. However, the shyness intensity does dull down as the longer you wear the lipstick, the more you close your mouth, you know, just the intensity dies down. Depending on what you eat, some of it does wear away, so you will need to reapply. But I think if you didn't eat and you didn't drink, you probably wouldn't need to reapply unless you really, really wanted to. So that aspect is good. There is semi-shine, but they're not crazy shiny. So some of them do have shimmer in them. I think maybe 3 or 4 of them have a hint of shimmer, but it's not a gritty shimmer. It's a finely milled, so you can't feel it, but you can see it a little bit. So that is in probably 3 or 4 of them, maybe 2 to 3 or 4, 4 max. And then they're full coverage. Most of them are. The one that I noticed that was a little patchy upon application was this one that I'm wearing now, which is the Berry Couture. It was a little patchy, and it took some building up to get the color to fully be on the lips all the way. And I think Love Me Pink slightly too. This one was just a little bit drier than the other ones. So the ingredients in here are pretty decent. From what I read, there's no parabens in here. I don't think there's lead, or if there is, it's very minuscule. It has sunflower seed oil in it and jojoba oil in it, which are good components for keeping your lips moisturized, especially around this time. It doesn't have petroleum in it or mineral oil, which are ingredients that are man-made ingredients that just kind of coat your lip versus, you know, not coating your lip. Soaking into your lips. So good ingredients. It's dermatologist tested, and I think that's it. I like I said, 95% of these colors. It's only one that really doesn't look right on me, which was that light pink, which was called Love Me Pink. This color was not a color for me. It's a pretty color, but it's just one that I didn't really like or gravitate towards. And my second one, which is not this one, is Luminous Lilac. It's not a color that I gravitate towards or that I typically like, but I mean, it's not bad. So this would be like a maybe. And this one, which is the lightest one, is called Naturally Buff. It's a cute color, but for me, of course, I would have to wear a liner with it, so I would have to play this one up to wear it. So it's not bad, not bad at all. But besides that, those three are, well, two are question marks. One is probably a no for me, which is that pink. The rest of them, I love the colors. I love the lipsticks. I was super excited for this line to come through. I was like gun-ho ready to get mine to talk to you guys about. But if I had anything or any input to put in this line, I would say maybe add like an actual rich brown, because they have the ginger, spice ginger, which is their copper color, and it's pretty. That's the color that I like. I like it. But I would say add like a rich brown, like a warm brown, or maybe a cool tone brown. One of the two. Cool tone brown and a warm brown, both of them, will be the only suggestions that I would place in regards to these lipsticks. I keep looking over here because the lipsticks are right here. But that would be my only suggestion, because they have ample amount of reds. They have this cute darker berry color, which might I add looks darker and scarier in the tube than it comes across on the lips. And this is one that has just a little bit of shimmer flakes in it that are not gritty. And they have ample amount of reds and pinks and kind of that mauve colors. I would have just added maybe, not for me personally, but a cool tone brown-ish color, kind of like that gray stone kind of look, and then a warm rich brown would be my only two suggestions. But anyways, these are already out, so you know, if you don't have an independent beauty consultant, my email will be at the end of this YouTube video. If not, contact your consultants and let them know what colors that are intriguing of you. I hope this was helpful. I love seeing swatches on different skin tones, from the palest of pales to the deep rich colors. I think the swatches are very helpful when people are looking to purchase a product. So I hope that I helped somebody find a color that is of interest to them. One more thing, these lipsticks are going to cost you $18. Yes, I just wanted to make sure I was correct. They're $18, and yep, and they're not going to dry your lips out. So anyways, thank you guys for tuning in to my Mary Kay Thursday, and I will see you love bugs in the next one. Bye.